Hello, my friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace, my lord. Where have we been? I have received many messages from many of you people. And my people, is everything okay? Do you need someone to talk to? Is everything all right? Where are you? We need you. And I've been pretty clear that for the last month and the next month, maybe even the next 2 months, my ass is flying all over the damn place. A lot of traveling. I've been on vacation. You know what I'm saying? But we're not going to go into a lengthy intro, longer than we already have. We are going to come back from this time stasis. I've missed out on a week, basically 2 weeks almost of action. I almost feel left behind. It's like I've missed out on a year, and we're going to take a look at everything with fresh eyes. And I guess let's just go into it. First off, let's take a look at Bitcoin. The 2-week green dot has confirmed. I never was a big proponent on it, but taking a look back in history, it is always close, if not at the bottom or the bottom range. To the naked eye, if I'm a naked guy, it'll take off the log. Well, let's take off the log. I gotta say, TLDR, I think we might be close. But I have this feeling in the pit of my stomach, and it's just following what my predictions have been, which is come summertime, whether it's a red swan or a black swan, something, it's shit's gonna hit the fan. If shit hits the fan, the stock market shit, Bitcoin's gonna go down with it, for sure. But maybe not. If I'm gonna bring up Google real quick. If Google is able to snap back, if this weekly trigger wave turns into something, in its continuation, shit, maybe not. Maybe China won't go into Taiwan. Maybe going into Iran is going to keep everyone off. I don't know. I don't know, fundamentally speaking. But let's get back on track here. The RSIs are still red. Money flow is close to the zero line. The larger the time frame, the less time we really spend in the red. So, this zero line, man, when we get down here on such a high time frame, it could be close. Let's go to the weekly. Also, we've bounced off, this cluster of spider lines on the 1.0 spider lines. These were from the pivot point of back in 2019. These are the OG original spider lines. Original spider lines. And so, they matter. The fact that we're bouncing off this cluster, man, no surprise here. Taking a look at the weekly, 2 green dots have confirmed. Money flow, RSIs looking like they're trying to switch. There's a ghost in my damn house. That's weird. That was weird. Damn, my mop, my robot mop, that is not even in the thing. It's upside down. I'm changing the wheels on it. Hasn't spoken for 48 hours. Never does. For some reason, it felt like talking right now. It's fucking weird. Anyways. Okay. So, yeah, the cluster RSIs may be picking up here. Let's zoom in. Going to the 5-day, we have momentum clipping to the upside. RSIs conjoined. Still in the red on the money flow. It's a fight. It's a fight. Let's go to the 3-day. The 3-day. Again, momentum fighting. RSIs are green. Nice and close together here. Nice and close together. Still under this OG spider line. We'll take a look at the 2.0s as well. We'll flip back to that in a moment here. Going to the 2-day. Money flow coming up. RSIs looking good. Nice kind of trigger wave from momentum. It's kind of already played out. We'll see if it kind of keeps going. But I think this is healthy bull. It's bullishly, healthily looking on the 2-day. Okay. Going to the daily. Momentum open. It's not clipping yet. Not clipping yet. The gates are open. VWAP oscillation coming down a little bit. Slight indentation. Inward curves. Why do we care? Because inward curves continue to inward curve. So there's some hope there. RSI's green there on the daily, going to the 12-hour. Now, on the 12-hour, we see that we have had this weak red RSI money flow, and it did, you know, when these RSIs are so important. If it's red, it is weak. And it was. But now, for now, it's not. It's green. And the 12-hour is a big time frame. Granted, it's a little jagged. Okay. The volume rate now sucks. It's all fake and Chinese. Let me just say this, okay? This is not a fun environment, in my opinion. The way I trade, it's a nightmare. In this period of my life, I like long, big swings, not micro in and out bullshit. And there's a time and a place. Maybe that'll switch up. Maybe I'll lock in and hit some in and outs. But it's just I've always been a lump sum guy. And even in this, I entered well, my little cipher entered along. It did great. That one's now closed. I entered along just off this little move here. Where am I at here? It's been up and down, green and red. I just longed at 72,141 on Bitcoin. And this shit's been up and down. But man, just looking at the 12-hour candles. I mean, this has been madness. You can't, at least for me. I mean, look at this shit. You can't even. You can't even go to the bathroom without the possibility of things completely, turning on you, so to speak. And what's been going on is these exchanges, they have been raising their slippage. The volume in business for the Chinese, all of them, I'm not singling any of them out, but slippage has increased. Fees probably increased. You have to have VIP levels and shit. They've diluted fee tiers down. So it's harder. You have to, it's either you limit entry on both entry and exit, and you scalp that way. But if you're just hitting market enter and market exit, man, especially if you are a lower tier in fees, shit, man, it's tough. It's gonna be tough. Anyways, so what are we looking at here? The 10-minute. Let's go to the. Look at that. Look at that. We're right up against it. Right up against. Let's go to the 2.0 spider lines here. Okay. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? We have came up to the McCluskey cluster, came down to this bottom line. Now we are fighting the first line of the next of the McCluskey cluster. And look at this. We got VWAP oscillation coming up here. What time frame are we on? The 4 hour. We have 3 hours and 15 minutes left in this candle. I think we just might see at least a retap to the McCluskey 72,900. Increasing. RSIs look good. Yeah, I think it looks bullish. Bullish right now. So, that's Bitcoin. Take a look at gold. Gold. I have been a little flippy floppy. I've been bullish on gold. I've been bullish. I think I still am bullish. We have RSIs increasing here. Momentum coming up on the daily. The 12 hour. The RSIs look good on the 12 hour. There's a potential fight here. That or this is the last hoorah. This might be the last hoorah for the S&P to take profits. But if not, I mean, damn, this looks good. Damn, this 12 hour on the S&P. Shit. Look at that, look at that money flow coming in. Damn, boy, this shit came up. This has come up. Looks like it wants to go on another run. This looks like it wants to go on another run. I think the markets are getting more used to the Trump tweets and shit. Hell, oil price is changing off of one stupid ass boat going through. One boat went through. You know, at first oil went up a damn near 10% or however much. In the beginning of the day, yesterday, the day before, one boat gets through and it reverses the whole chart. Ethereum, look at this momentum on the 2 hour. Look at this momentum curvature coming up right here. RSIs are holding strong up here. The 12 hour, look at that VWAP oscillation pulling up. 11 hours left in the candle. Shit, we might be in the green. We might have to stream. Also, I think since I'm on vacation, I might tell these guys to push the watch giveaway like 10 more days. I'd hate to keep you guys waiting any longer, but I just haven't been around. There is no volume qualifier like every other giveaway. You have to be a millionaire in order to even qualify for watches or whatever fucking prize. That's not how this is. If you're a broke dick trading $50 per trade, as long as you don't try to scam the system and trade, you know, how you normally do, you qualify just as much as everybody else. That's going to be random as hell. 3 Rolexes. I think I'm going to ask these guys to push it 10 days back. It's my idea, not theirs. Just saying. We'll see. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Yeah. As far as my cipher, my little cipher, it's coming. The website is being built. And there's one other thing that I've thought about teasing to you on this video, but it's already kind of packed. So I think I'm going to save it. But I am bringing you people, my people, a AI agent platform that normally would cost you thousands of dollars a month for free. And I think I want to soft launch it so you guys can play with it and test it and use it before full launch, which is on May 1st. So just know that. Just know that. I might be streaming today. Anyways, and so I guess I'm short-term bullish. I mean, shit looks short-term bullish, but you know what? Here's the thing, is as my friend put it, it's extraction season. But do people need to pay their taxes? And so extraction doesn't just mean it has to go one way. In fact, it's choppy as hell. Okay, the more chop, the more extraction. High leverage, don't even think about it. Unless you're super limit scalping, I guess. So I guess I'm just trying to say be careful. I don't know, the volume's been shit. But I've been gone for 2 weeks, and I've enjoyed this time off. And I don't think I'm done. I still have, in another 2 weeks, I'm going out again for a week. But I am here. I am fine. I've been a hard-working son of a bitch this year. So sometimes we just like you people, don't you people want vacation sometimes? But you know, for the past 8 years I've been doing this shit. I've never disappeared. You know, I don't just disappear in a bear run, come back in a bull run, say, hey everyone, it's all season. Buy my shit coin I made up so I can extract it on y'all. Maybe I should. Maybe I would. Would you? Would you? The tables were turned. I think it's worth a shot. I think there's an opportunity here. This might be worth a shot. Taking a risk and joining in on the party. And shit, that might include crypto. I mean, we might see another run here. We might see another run here. It's hard to beat these RSIs on a high time frame. Hard to beat. I mean, look at the money flow. Shit, we might go on another run. I said sell me your crypto on Twitter. Fuck, man. You know, we're already in Iran. So I don't think, there's not much more that can be shaken up in that. Well, maybe not. I don't know, I guess I'm bullish with caution. Like, I'm bullish, but we have to watch our ass because one stool pigeon will have us shit in our pants. I'll see you soon. Thank you.